lot of school owners mistake that if they receive money, because they say कि यार पैसा तो आ ही जाए ना, पूरे साल में आ रहा है तो धीरे धीरे आ रहा है, but what they don't understand is the eternal rate of return on their money is going down the later they get it in the year. तो interest cost नहीं जोड़ रहे, उसका utilization cost नहीं जोड़ रहे. Ultimately they are borrowing funds from somewhere.
Right.
To meet their expenses. So I'll use random figures. Let us say my first quarter I was supposed to receive a total of 1 lakh rupees from my students, right? Yeah. And if I had put Jodo, I would receive around 85,000 on a stipulated date. Baki ka 10-15 हजार I would receive over a period of say next 10 to 15 days. But if I don't use that, I would receive only 20,000 on the first day of that quarter, and the balance 80,000 would be received say over a longer period of time. So if I were to use that money today, I would have to borrow that money from XYZ at a rate of return, a rate of interest, say 9% also. I am losing out that interest cost, number one. Number two, because I am not planned, I do not know how much money is going to come into my account. आप एक क्वार्टर को भी देखोगे तो एक क्वार्टर में 90 days in total 90 days है. In 90 days अगर आपका day 1 पर you get the entire money, vis-a-vis if you spread that money and see it, you will realize that you have lost 2 to 3% of that value of the money because you did not get it on time. And when that figure becomes large, when it becomes in crores, say 100 crores or 40 crores or 50 crores, it amounts to close to 7-8 lakh rupees. So that is a very big amount to lose in one quarter. When you do that over 4 quarters, you have lost almost 50 lakh rupees in a year by not getting that money on time. Even if say you have that surplus, a lot of schools say, "मेरे पास तो surplus है, we are not borrowing it from anybody." Arey boss, even if you're not borrowing it from anybody, if you get that money on day 1, park it into a liquid fund which is giving you 7% return and withdraw from it whenever you need it. So that 7% additional you are getting for their entire quarter.
Right.
So that is a huge return on your money. You can utilize that so much more for various infrastructural developments, increments for your teams, hiring better people. All of that can be done, which people do not understand. It is simple finance. I have been using Jodo for the last 4 years and extremely happy with the services that they have been providing. Jodo is your best friend when it comes to fee collection. It's a seamless gateway. It's a seamless platform with a great dashboard, giving you deep insights into how you're collecting your fee. Get on board and get Jodo if you want to get your fee collection right.